Hey, I'm so glad you guys are here. I was getting carried away. I put this cool bumper on the Z, and I like it, man. Look how thick she looks. Hold on, let me flip the screen. I mean, she is thick now. I got it on the jack stands because I was getting carried away. When I bought my Z, my boy gave me some extra pieces. I had got 2 rear bumpers. It's a little wonky fitment, but it's okay. Drift car. 2 rear bumpers, 2 front bumpers, and some side skirts. So I took off the OEM side skirts, you know, and I was about to slap these on, but I had to fill you guys in. These ones got a little mesh on it. I think it'll look great painted up, and they kind of match the rear bumper, you know. And side skirts, they're gonna look thick. Cause when I did put on the rear bumper, I noticed that the stock side skirts weren't as low as this thing hangs, cause that thing hangs, man. So I figured we'll slap these on, bring the whole look together, and then you can tell it might be ready to get painted. Oh man. Yeah, man, how y'all been? What y'all been doing? It's been a minute. Everything's cool over here. We got it hooked up. Got the Sentra right here. She's happy. We're gonna do big brakes on it. I got the rotors, big old 12-inch joints. I think these ones are 10-inch. So put the 12-inch rotors on there. On the front, some Brembos. It'll look pretty awesome.
She said, please don't go. Don't want me to leave on a falling love. Why you gotta be so cold?
Baby.
Let's go. She said, please don't go. Don't want me to leave on a falling love. Why you gotta be so cold? Hey, hey, all feet up, I'm lit up, you cheat up, I'm gone. Be up alone, don't be up at night. Cheat up, I leave her to meet up at dawn. We stand in the cold, it's inevitable. I don't got nobody in the telly, it's just me. You don't need nobody else, little baby, keep it deep. Ball back, she call back, I'm ballin', that boy that she all in.
It's looking so cool. It's looking sick. I just half-assed it, put some zip ties on it, send it. It looks sick, man. I think it'll look cool. Paint matched, you know, fiberglass skirts. It's not gonna be the best fit, so you know, we got cool gap there. But it's freaking cool, man. It's pretty awesome. I can live with it. I can manage it. I'm gonna paint it all. It's gonna look sweet. Beautiful moment. You can kind of see it. Kind of see the vision, you know. It's still jacked up, so it's gonna be less wheel gap. Oh my god. Freaking cool, man. Man, come on, man. That shit look crazy. It's on the floor. Look at that. Hopefully it's not too soft of a suspension and I won't fuck it all up. But we'll see how it goes, man. Looks sick. I like it a lot.
She think I'm a dog, nothing gained, nothing lost. I'm a boss with my feet up. I come back to see ya. She said, please don't go. Don't want me to leave on a falling love. Why you gotta be so cold? Hey. She said, please don't go. Don't want me to leave on a falling love. Why you gotta be so cold? Hey.
Bro, I'm out here. You ever heard of Culver's? They got the best burgers, I think. And it's like a cookout, but just Culver's. I don't know. They got some shit called the Wisconsin cheese ball. I damn got a hole in my sweatpants, bro. I'm talking like ripped down the seam like SpongeBob. I'm gonna set the camera down and then walk away. And hopefully it don't look that noticeable, but let's see. Hope it's not that noticeable, bro. Alright, so I just played back the video. It's not that noticeable. That's why I pull my pants up extra high. But it is there, it's big as fuck. I'm gonna just go inside, man. Fuck it. Fuck it.
I fly through the night, bro. What's wrong, what's right? Get left, get right. Defending ball, didn't believe, you should've thought. Defending my peace, I'm in the car. They try to believe I'm in the wrong. Taking a leap, preventing my loss. If you wanna creep, I'll let them all. I just wanna see what's in the vault. You rolling with me, we'll never fall. I'm finna leap the wall, defeat them all. Keep composed, we gon' see some more. Leap the wall, defeat them all.
I'm in the fast lane with a bad thing. Finna switch up her last name. She never switched when the cash came. Some of you niggas can't say the same. No, contemplating moving out of state. Somewhere far away. I've been too complacent. I've been sitting down like I'm on vacation instead of paper chasing. I just gotta face it like yeah. Gotta go hard, gotta move smarter, gotta go farther. Grab me your father, gotta get right. Provide for your daughter, so every day I meet, gotta eat, I slaughter facts. I got no time to relax. I got no time to look back. I got no time to kick back. Keep running laps, cause none of this time you get back. It's facts.
Bathroom, I reassessed. Turns out it's not that noticeable, but you can see it. So I'm gonna limit the places I go before I change my plans. I might just stop by the house. I gotta go back. I got some more things to do. So after putting on this low ass side skirt, I had to raise the rear a little bit just for clearance, and it's still really low, but the fitment in the rear just looks wonky. I got some 19s, these are 18s. We'll see how it looks, but yeah, I don't think I could drift at Piedmont like that because Piedmont's kind of gnarly. I'll rip these bad boys off. Alright, here's a funny situation. I already broke it, so I got it zip tied to itself. I'm surprised that it's on there, so I just been driving slower, trying not to scrape it. I raised the rear an inch, so it's monster trucking in the back, I feel like, but it looks kind of cool. I got some 19s from the dude that sold me the car, my boy Cliff. Shout out Cliff. I'm excited to slap them on, see what they look like. Man, I just had to let you know what I'm doing, man. I had to take off goddamn body kit. This damn sock skirt hangs so damn low, man. I had to take that bitch off, so I took her off. I'm gonna get rowdy in the car. We got a drift event next weekend, so I'm gonna take this goddamn shit off and I'm gonna put the regular shit on there so it don't have so damn low and I can goddamn get rowdy. You know what I'm saying? I know. All right, brother, here she comes. It's only held on there by 2 screws and a zip tie. Off she goes. Do some repairs, do some painting, and it'll be awesome.
Got the coilovers for the fitment, boy. Duckies in the wall, living till I'm gone. Tell them sing my song, let me right my wrong. Living till I'm gone, still I will live on. Look into the stars, tell them sing my song. Wait for me, no need, she won't leave, she gon' stay for me. No condition, mission complete, don't run away from me. Just be the same to me. No. Stay for me, pray for me, wait for me. No switching lanes on me. Same gon' be same for me. You running game on me. No need to wait for me. No.
I've been around for a little minute, I done seen a couple things. Gotta look deep, but this shit ain't always what it seems. If I'm in it, then I'm taking everything. I'ma leave the kitchen sink. Could have that, I just gotta go with a bag at. Got a bad head, bitch with a bad head, with a bad head, walk with a fat ass. My leader home, gotta beat it rock, can't defeat the boss. I don't need exhaust, I complete the cost, so I got it. If I could, I put you in my pocket. Next to all of my private, pull it out, I gotta show that I'm popping. Know that they watching. Fuck that, move silent. Not much they can do about it. They still talking, just listen. They gon' tell you how you got to kill them. They gon' spill it, you just gotta listen. Some ain't even got a pot to piss in. They ain't think you try to live it. How the fuck you think they feeling? Big bang, bro, you keep talking, now I feel ya. I just keep it rolling like a wheel on my heels. And I walk through the park, this shit cold, bitch, so I feel now. I think I should kill ya. I'm just trying to chill though. Big bang, bro, you keep talking, now I feel ya. I just keep it rolling like a wheel on my heels. And I walk through the park, this shit cold, bitch, so I feel now. I think I should kill ya.
Yeah, man, we just shredded. And the car's doing good. I put the white wheels on. They look cool. They're 1 inch skinnier. They're like 9.5 inches wide. But the offset is good. It still looks good on the car. I got a little bit of rubbing on the back driver's wheel, but the car's doing good. I love it. There's only been 1 lap. Let's keep shredding.
Running up till I'm swole. Cash flowing through the phone. Trapbo like a mad pro, like Mike running up the scope. Bitch, speed it up slow. I'm ready to go. Tip through the phone. Why you stupid? I'm live. Let me loose to the foes. Hit the juke, then I'm slow. 2020, looking back, I ain't going off home. Big bang, bro. You keep talking, now I feel ya. I just keep it rolling like a wheel on my heels. And I walk through the park. This shit cold, bitch, so I feel ya. I think I should kill ya. I'm just trying to chill though. Big bang, bro, you keep talking, now I feel ya. I just keep it rolling like a wheel on my heels. And I walk through the park, this shit cold, bitch, so I feel ya. I think I should kill them. I'm just trying to chill though.
There go my little homie. Man, my bumper. Now it's fucking shit up today. Look at him up. Alright. Let's go fix it up, man. Oh yeah, the e-brake. The motherfucking bracket.
Hey, keep it moving, suspicious. I've been living in hell, I won't be the fool you thought you're tripping. I gotta let it go when I hit the pit. I'm moving optimistic. I don't forget it though when I'm on a mission. I'm gonna go the distance. Ask if I'm in a rush. I must keep it moving, suspicious. I've been living in hell, I won't be the fool you thought you're tripping. I gotta let it go when I hit the pit. I'm moving optimistic. I don't forget it though when I'm on a mission. I'm gonna go the distance. Ask if I'm in a rush. I don't punt, don't act the part. They wish I fall, just give me the bag. I'm still up, it's too tall. Move on, bigger the bag. I'm feeling with cash, lukewarm, too soft. I listen to facts, you never gon' last way too long. Now move on, throw all of it in and get nothing. Defeat the boss, complete the cost, come back and get it the clock running. Keep it moving, all suspicious. I've been living in hell, I won't be the fool you thought you tripping. I gotta let it go when I hit the pit. I'm moving optimistic. I don't forget it though when I'm on a mission. I'm gonna go the distance.
I don't forget it though when I'm on a mission. I'm on go the distance. Ask if I'm in a rush. I'm straight loco. The half is by the stack and no Joe, but you not big boy. You lagging, give me the go. I'm stacking no ho. I sip slow out the solo, riding dolo. A pack of Rolos, platinum robo, pass the popo. Hold the Jolo, below the flow bow. That kush you puffin', no. It's got the go-go. Been down since the shit was solo. I'm with a bitch in a Volvo, smoking down the road, the modo. Money when I speak, I see it even when I sleep. Come full of reef, lock the door before I leave. You know where I be. You know where I be. Money when I speak, I see it even when I sleep. Come full of reef, lock the door before I leave. You know where I be. You know where I be. Hey, yeah, yo.
Sick. That was awesome. I don't know if the, I really don't think that pop was me, but it sounded awesome. So I'm down for it. Let's take a picture so we can let each other know that this was the moment. It was awesome.
Hey, lay low like nobody ain't home. They know what you thought it ain't though. I know why you gotta stay stoned. Got the body lay low, I can spot it bang roll.